Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to set two-factor authenticator on your WhatsApp on iPhone, right? So for iPhone users, this is how you can set your two-factor authenticator. So this is my WhatsApp, as you can see that. So I will just go ahead and click on settings, right? I hope you can see settings here. I'll tap on my settings and I will click on account. I hope you can see that. So when I click on account, you can see two-factor verification. Now the essence of this two-factor verification is for you to protect your account, your WhatsApp account, very strongly, that no one can easily have access to your data, right? Now you can click on turn on here and you can enter any number. Let's just say, let me enter any number. Then I'll click on, they will ask me to confirm, right? I'll have to click any other number. Now for the sake of this video, I'm not going to complete it because I don't want to do that right now. But the moment you complete this number with the exact code that you entered in the first step, you now confirm it and you successfully set your two-factor verification, and that will be an advantage and added security to your account. See you on the next one.